Let's DIY some driftwood reindeer for Christmas. I found this great piece of driftwood at the beach. You can use whatever you can find. Even if you don't live near the beach, you could always do this with some sticks as well. And we're going to cut these down into individual pieces to make reindeer. So I want 3 that are shorter for the head, 3 a little bit longer. I just use my saw to cut those down. For the legs, we're going to be using the little wooden dowels from the Dollar Tree. We're going to do 3 reindeer, so each one are going to need 4 legs, so a total of 12 of these. And I just took these all and cut them all down so I can make them a little bit shorter, and that was really easy to do it all at once. For the antlers, we're going to be using those little antler ornaments from the Dollar Tree. I think those are going to be perfect. Now, let's go ahead and stain these so they're not just raw wood. I mixed together a little bit of ivory paint with some antique wax by Waverly to give me this kind of driftwood vibe here on these. And then I decided I probably need a few more here to be able to attach the head. So I cut 3 more pieces of the dowels down to be 3 necks, and so I went ahead and stained those as well. Then I went over them with some more of the antique wax by Waverly to give me a little bit more of a wood grain back on those, and they coordinate way better with the driftwood now. Now we need to poke some holes in these. I went ahead and used my drill with a large drill bit to make sure that those are the right size. I need them to not necessarily be snug, but fit in there pretty well. And then I used hot glue to glue on all of my legs. If you wanted to use wood glue and you had time for it to set up, you totally could. And make sure that they stand up before your glue completely sets up. So I did the same thing here. As you can see, the driftwood is really irregular, but I just did 2 holes in each side, trying to keep them relatively even the distance, and then hot glued 4 more legs on for our second one, and we're going to repeat the same thing here on the third one. We're also going to be using that shorter dowel that we cut down to be the neck to attach to the head. So we're going to need a hole in the head. So these are the heads of the reindeer. I drilled holes in these. Don't be scared of your power tools. They can be really fun for crafting. And I just went ahead and drilled those holes in there and glued those shorter dowels inside. Those are going to be the reindeer necks. Now, I did forget to drill a hole in this piece. I should have done that before I attached the legs for the neck, and so I went ahead and drilled those in there. It was a little harder with the legs attached. Now we can go ahead and start putting antlers on these. These little antler ornaments from the Dollar Tree are perfect for this. They're white glittery, and I'm going to need to have them on both of the heads. I went ahead and drilled 2 holes, not quite as deep here, for the little antlers to kind of stick out of the head. And I noticed I did have to trim them down a little bit, maybe because I didn't drill the holes very long. But this is a little bit skinnier than what you needed for the rest of it. But I went ahead and did that on all 3 of my heads, gluing on the antlers, kind of going out sideways so they look a little bit more like a reindeer. And now it's time to attach the heads. I just hot glued the little necks onto the driftwood bodies of the reindeer. I'm going to have them all displayed together, so one of them can be Rudolph in the front. I thought that would be really cute. And you know what? If you had space, you could do as many of these as you want. You could do all of the reindeer if you wanted to. So we glued all of our heads on. Now, I did want to give Rudolph a nose, so I'm going to choose one of the reindeer to be Rudolph and give him a little red nose, and I have a fun coastal idea for that as well. I'm going to use a little tiny starfish. I picked these up on Amazon. I just painted one with a red paint pen and glued it on to one of the reindeer's snout. That can be the leader of the reindeer. Let me show you how they turned out. I think they are so whimsical and cute, very inexpensive to put together, and they look great displayed together. I have more Christmas Dollar Tree DIYs for you on my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach.